Welcome to the Gypsum. Today, if you don't have a microwave, you could make you could get one of your leftovers and cook it on the stove. So that's what we're doing today. We have water, a spoon, spaghetti, and starts with a D. Meatballs.
Meatballs does not start with a D.
It starts with a P.
Not a P either.
E.
Sound it out.
Me.
What letter?
It's a P.
It's not a P.
Meatballs.
Meat. Meat.
M. It was M.
Yes.
Now let's start. First, the water goes first.
And you just need a little water at the... Okay.
That's a little. No, that one's getting hot.
You ready to put your food in the skillets?
I put the spaghetti and the meatballs in the skillet. I made a mistake, put one meatball in this one of the skillets that the spaghetti's going in. Make sure you stir so all your food could get warm. We are about to do a taste challenge.
Taste test.
Taste test. The spaghetti tastes good. Hey guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and spread the dip.